Hi, I'm back. This is the third story today, but I think it's worth it because it's for one of my students, one of my first year students. His name is Iker, and he was wondering if I actually saw what he uploads, and of course I do. Of course I do, and I'm going to read The Wax Man to you, Iker. So I hope this helps, and I would love for you to retry reading the story, and if you could send me over the video, because you'll see how much you're going to improve. Okay? The Wax Man. If you press here, you are going to be able to read 2 pages. The Wax Man, a Latin American story retold by Olga Loya, illustrated by Raymond Ortiz Godfrey. The Wax Man. Fox loved to eat chickens. Each night, Fox slipped through a hole in the fence of the Vista Ranch, and each night she took a chicken. One day, the owner of the ranch made a man out of wax. He put it in front of the hole. He wanted to scare away whoever was taking the chickens. That night, when Fox saw the wax man, she was afraid. She thought it was a real man. Fox decided to speak to the wax man. "Good evening, sir," she said. Would you please give me a chicken?" The wax man smiled, but it did not answer. Fox was upset. She said loudly, "Mister, I want a chicken now." Again, the wax man did not answer. Fox was getting angry. She said, "If you don't answer, I'm going to hit you." The wax man smiled, but it did not answer. Fox hit it with her right hand. Thwack! Her hand stuck to the waxman. Fox yelled, "Let me go, or I'll hit you with my other hand." The waxman smiled, but it did not answer. Fox hit the waxman with her left hand. Thwack! Then that hand stuck to the waxman too. About the noise. Now Fox was very angry. "If you don't let me go, I'll kick you," she yelled. Once again, the waxman smiled, but it did not answer. Fox kicked it. Fox kicked it hard. Whump! Her foot stuck to the waxman. Just then, Coyote came along. "Fox, what happened to you?" he asked. "Well, I was trying to get a chicken, but this man stopped me," Fox said. "If you will help me get away from him, I'll get us both a nice fat chicken." So Coyote pushed and pushed the waxman. Finally, Fox popped free and ran over the hill. But now poor Coyote was stuck to the waxman. When the rain began to fall, Coyote howled and cried. His warm tears fell on the waxman, and it began to melt. Coyote slipped free and ran away as fast as he could. From that night on, Fox and Coyote never again took a chicken from Vista Ranch. The end. I hope this helped, and I wish you can send me your reading again, okay? I know, I'm pretty sure that you're going to make it so much better. I read Shine Sunshine too. That's why I was a little bit confused, because I did see your reading in Shine Sunshine and I did comment on it, but I went on Facebook and I didn't see my comment. So I'm going to write it again, and you're going to see how I corrected pronunciation. Okay, that's very important. When you see a word in parentheses, doesn't mean that the word is written like that, but you have to read it literally to understand how is it pronounced in English. Okay? So I love you and see you tomorrow.